Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's video because I'm sitting at my vanity. By the way, my eyebrows are done. I look kind of crazy. As you guys know, I've been decluttering and organizing my makeup collection for the last week, and let me just tell you, it feels so good to sit here and look at all of my lip products color coordinated and know where everything is. I got these earrings from Forever 21. They are different, they are cute, they're red. I love red. We're playing with two products today that I'm very excited about. One is the Superstay Maybelline foundation, which I'm really excited about because you guys know I'm obsessed with their Superstay Better Skin powders. I recommend this to literally everybody, every video. I love it. So I have this feeling deep down that they're gonna go great together and I'm gonna fall in love, which I'm very happy about because this is drugstore. That means it's affordable, so that's good. Also, really excited to be playing with Christen Dominique's palette. Oh, it's so pretty. I swatched a few of them and they feel really buttery, really velvety. I don't know, eyeshadows on crack. They're just amazing. I'm really impressed by just swatching. So I'm excited to play with it on my eyes and see how it looks. But yeah, let's get started. I zoomed you guys in a little bit. Oh my God, I look like a naked mole rat. So I already washed my face and moisturized earlier. So I'm gonna go in with a primer. And I think today I'm gonna use this one. My favorite primer of all times, the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Primer. This just smooths out your face and I think it gives you great hydration. It's not really pore minimizing, it's just a lot of smoothness, which is what I like. I'm gonna get my beauty blender holder. Actually, it's an egg holder that I got from Amazon, but I'm gonna be using a beauty blender today and we're gonna go in with this foundation. I'm in the color 120 Classic Ivory. Again, this is the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage. I've been hearing that this is insanely full coverage. I'm gonna do one pump. Okay, I think one pump. Ooh, it's thick. It's kind of thick. Okay. Oh. Oh, you guys, that is beautiful coverage. Oh my God. Oh my God, so one side right now is done. That coverage is amazing, super flawless. I feel airbrushed. That's what a foundation should make me feel like. This is crazy good. I'm gonna add a little bit more my cheek area because I'm gonna skip concealer. I like skipping concealer. It's less heavy. When you find a good foundation that has great coverage, you don't really need concealer. It's definitely buildable. It builds really nice. And it feels like I'm wearing nothing. I'm gonna pair that up with my Maybelline Superstay Better Skin Powder in number 20. I'm gonna take my Morphe Y2 brush. I love this brush for setting powder all over the face. So basically I'm just gonna press into that powder like so. Just gonna press, I don't really swipe, but press down. Pack it onto the brush. And I want to gently dab into my skin. Oh, I think the foundation and the powder together literally is flawless. I like to go in with the Morphe Y9, which is a more smaller, fluffier, precise brush with the same powder. And I use this to set my under eye. Now when I'm setting, I'm just pressing it into my skin, I'm dabbing. Basically want to set all of that liquid so it doesn't move. To bronze my whole entire face, I'm gonna, oh my God! I opened up and there's a lash in there. Like I was saying, to bronze my whole entire face, I'm gonna go in with Benefit Cosmetics Hoola Light. Now I know Hoola Light was invented for lighter people, but for me, I just personally don't like a harsh contour, too much bronzer. It's not my thing. It makes me look really muddy and dirty and gross. So I'm a huge fan of Benefit Hoola Light because it doesn't look like it on camera, but in person, it just has a really nice, soft bronze without it being too much. So I love this baby. And if you're someone who's starting out with contouring and bronzing, this is a great starter because it's giving you some color, but it's not overwhelming and scaring you, because bronzer scares me. It's something I'm still working on. So, and oh, it's just, Hoola Light is so pretty. It's giving you a nice shadow. That's what I like about Hoola Light. It's so easy to work with too. Next, we're gonna go in with highlight. I'm using an oldie but a goodie. This is Jouer Cosmetics Topaz powder highlight. So good. If you guys are interested in trying out their highlighters, I also love their liquid lipsticks. You can use the discount code kkimthai to save 15% off if you would like. But today I'm gonna use Topaz. I haven't touched this in a really long time, but as you can see, for the longest time, it's been pretty used. I'm going to go in with the Morphe M510, and I'm going to fluff this up on the back of my hand because I need that fluffiness. And we're just going to work that on the highest points of our cheeks. We're going to add some glow today. And then for blush, I'm gonna go in with the Milani Cosmetics Tea Rose Powder Blush. It's the one with the really pretty rose design. It's a nice light baby pink. I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face right now with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. I like doing this step before I finish my eyes and my lips and everything because it really erases, eliminates extra powder, and then when I'm done with my face, I feel like my skin is really kind of glowy and the powder look is gone and it's not like really gross and cakey looking. When you're actually looking at my skin, it looks like real skin. I'm gonna prime my eyes with Painterly Paint Pot by MAC. Okay, now moving on to the eyes, I'm gonna work with Christen Dominique's palette, the Latte palette. You guys, this is so buttery and creamy, and I'm so impressed. Like, it's amazing. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here called Vanilla Cream, and I'm gonna put that under my brow bone just to brighten and lift that area up. And then I'm gonna go in to the color Caramel right here, right next door, and I'm going to work that all over my crease area. So we're gonna stay in that crease and kind of diffuse it out. Next, I'm gonna go in with Pumpkin Spice. And we're gonna do basically the same thing, but we're not gonna bring up the shadows as high. We're gonna keep it under the shadow that we just used. And then I'm gonna go in with Hazelnut, and I'm going to deepen up my outer corner, and I might just go in to my inner corners. To be honest, I'm just winging this look. I have no idea what I'm doing. So I want to make that outer corner deeper. So I'm going to go with the darkest color here. Honestly, this look is already pretty if you want to stop here, but I want to make that deeper. I'm going to take a little bit of my Tarte Shape Tape light concealer on the back of my hand. And we are going to put this down in the middle of our lid, and then we're going to put some shimmer on top of it. The concealer is going to act as a really nice clean canvas, to put in the middle of our lid. I'm going to go in with Creme Brulee right here. Honestly, with the earrings being red, I could probably rock a red lip with this and it would look so put together, so classy. One of my favorite red lip products is the I Love Sarahi and ColourPop Ultra Matte Lip in the color Ariba. Such a pretty red. Or Kat Von D's Underage Red or Outlaw. These two are my favorite. These don't come off, so if you are planning on grubbing, these are gonna be your babies. But today, since I already did a red lip in my last makeup tutorial, I don't want to do another red lip. So I want to do a ColourPop Cosmetics new lipstick in Still Crazy. It's this really nice color. You guys know I'm a sucker for these colors. And then I'm gonna top it up with Alyssa Ashley's e.l.f. Cosmetics collaboration Nude Rose. I've been dying. Oh, you know what? I should line my lips first before I put lipstick on. Okay friends, that is it for today's makeup tutorial. I hope you love the way this look turned out. I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let me know what product that you saw today that you're excited to try. I definitely recommend the Latte palette. That was really good. There was only one problem I found with it, was that dark color that I popped in the outer corner. I felt like it wasn't as pigmented as the rest of them. So I don't know if that was like a boo-boo while making the palette, but that was the only downfall of it. Other than that, the palette was amazing. I love the way this look turned out. I think it's just so sexy and sultry and just, I love it. I hope you guys love it as much as I do. Don't forget to leave a comment down below. Like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one, which will most likely be a makeup collection video. I'll see you then. Bye, lovelies.